I'm one of those people that actually likes to clean my guns after spending time at the range. I know a lot of people find it to be tedious, but I kind of enjoy it. And my friends over at Evo Dyne, they sent me this. This is their ED47 gun cleaner. It's an all-in-one solution, which means it's not only going to clean off the soot and the carbon and the lead, but it's also going to lubricate and protect your gun at the same time. So if you don't like to clean your guns, it's going to remove some of those added steps that you would have previously. Now what I've got here, you guys all are very familiar with what this part is. And while I was at the range recently, I put a couple hundred rounds downrange. So this is going to have some nice nastiness inside of it. It's not, surprisingly, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. To demonstrate, I've got a really nice white cleaning towel. And what I'm going to do is just spray this part down. I'm going to spray it down through the bore. And without even doing anything other than a simple wipe, I'm going to show you what came off. Now, obviously, in normal times, I'm going to clean all the other components. I'm going to put a brush down through the bore. I'm going to really make sure that this thing's spotless. But all I want to show you is how nicely this stuff works. So you're just going to spray it on. And I'm going to spray a generous amount down the bore. And I'm just going to let that set for a second. But take a look at what's coming off already. And you've got a lot of gunk and grime going through this thing. So this stuff, what I like is that when I'm done, you can see just how nice the finish is. It looks like I've actually gone over it with a coat of lubricant, but I haven't. So this is great. I've cleaned my other guns with it already. But with this, it's really simply a matter of you spray it on. You're going to use your brushes, your bore brush as normal. Wipe everything down, and now you've eliminated that step of needing to lubricate all your components. You still want to go through, I feel like, and lube all your slide contact points in that, of course, and that's really dependent on the firearm that you're cleaning. But this stuff, I can't say enough about it. So this, again, is Evo Dyne's ED47 gun cleaner all-in-one solution. Make sure to check it out. You can get it in, I believe you can get it in multiple bottle quantities on your order. So make sure you check this out from Evo Dyne.